Hey, guys, welcome to the Comic Cycle Presents Let's Chit Chat. And today we have the gorgeous Chavi Mittal with us. How are you doing?
I'm very good. Thank
You're
you
looking
so much.
amazing.
Thank you. Great power comes great responsibility.
So, was it a serious relationship or you just.
Which ones are you talking about? The first two-timer or the second?
Oh my! We love, everybody loves SIT, and you have about 5 million followers on Facebook and YouTube. So, we want to know your journey from television to SIT.
So television to SIT was actually a very smooth journey for me. I'd say that whatever I am today is because of my TV training. Whatever I did on television has taught me everything about my craft. But SIT took it to the next level, in the sense that on SIT, I could actually play with the different avenues of my own personality.
So you have liberty of
Yes.
doing different things.
Yes. So if on television I was only acting, here I was also giving my input in the script writing process, in the process of the actual creation, the production,
You're everywhere,
the
pre-production to
Yes. And the
on-shoot to
most
post.
important thing which I've learned in SIT is social media. Before I joined SIT, I didn't know there was a platform called Instagram.
Really?
I didn't know
So you were like
YouTube was
anti-social
monetized. No, I just knew Facebook, and I knew that, okay, you have a personal profile on Facebook, and that's
okay.
it. So I launched my Facebook page, my Instagram page, everything after I started SIT. I'm a little late in joining the bandwagon, but I think, it's just such a fast-growing place that
Right. Every day there's new app coming.
Yeah.
And you need to learn that.
You need to learn that, yeah.
We see you write big captions on Instagram mostly, and you define everything. You try to make people understand what you want to say.
Yeah.
So, what is your love for writing? Do you love writing, or
So
what is it about?
I didn't know that I love writing. I
Okay.
only realized it when I started blogging on Instagram. And why I started blogging is because there is a lot that I want to say.
Right.
And sometimes there's not enough time to reach the maximum number of people. For that reason. And secondly, I strongly feel that if you are on the social media, if you cannot create value in somebody's life, then you're just wasting your time.
Exactly.
So I feel that instead of just putting a pretty selfie and saying, hey, I'd rather put a meaningful picture and write something
That's
and
a
say
beautiful
something
thought.
along with it, so that whoever's reading my caption is at least taking
They get
something
inspired.
from it. Right.
That's
so
that's
my
a
endeavor.
beautiful thought. Chavi, we feel that SIT has changed your career graph. It has gone to a different level now. You're a producer, it's your own company, and it's doing really well. So how do you see that?
I totally agree with you. Somehow I always felt that I wanted to do a lot more when I was just a television actor. I really wanted to do a lot more, but I couldn't put my finger on it. So when I started doing Shitty Ideas Trending, there was this same urge that, what else can I do? So there were a lot of thoughts that came into play, that maybe start a restaurant, or maybe be a fashion designer. I'm very bad with fashion. I'm very bad with styling. So that was out of the window. I have no experience with cooking, even. Forget running a business like a restaurant, which is really difficult, I feel.
So you wanted to explore and choose.
Yeah. So we decided that we'll start Shitty Ideas Trending, and I'm really happy that we did, because a kind of recognition and appreciation that I've got for my work from SIT, I have never gotten that from television.
It's a direct interaction with your fans
Absolutely.
and people. And you're
Absolutely.
inspiring people in a lot of ways.
Thank you. And also there is an instant feedback that you get when a video is
even if you're
uploaded.
doing good or bad.
Yeah.
Chavi, we see पहले के दौर पे, सिर्फ टीवी था and films थे. Now you see we have a lot of things. So actors के लिए भी there are so many platforms. So how do you see that कि opportunities अब ज़्यादा हो गई हैं? So how are we utilizing that?
Opportunities have definitely increased a lot, and I think आपको एक actor होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है अपनी सारी
famous.
To be famous, exactly. Today there's TikTok, there's Instagram, there is
Stand-up comedians, bloggers, vloggers.
Correct. और आजकल a simple thing like trolling will get you famous today.
Right.
There are a lot of people who want to just go and troll celebrities. You'll see. I mean, today only I was reading a news about this person who went and trolled a minister, then went and trolled an actress, and his platform is growing like
Anything.
hotcakes. Yeah. So definitely there's a lot of opportunity for people. Magar opportunity, like, I love that dialogue from Spider-Man, with great power comes great responsibility.
Right.
तो social media एक ऐसा platform है जो जिसे कोई भी access कर सकता है और जिसे कोई भी इस्तेमाल कर सकता है और कोई भी उसे देख सकता है. So आप social media पर क्या कहते हैं, क्या करते हैं, this is literally in the eyes of everybody. So you have to be responsible and understand and give it careful thought before putting your thoughts down on social media just randomly.
Right.
So I think that is important. With the growing opportunity, the power has to be recognized also.
Also, you see, Instagram came, then TikTok came, and TikTok के लिए initially there were like a lot of things people मतलब उसे बंद करवा देना चाहते थे
Yeah.
because a lot of things like shits were happening.
Yeah.
So how do you see kids are doing this instead of doing something good and utilizing their time in a good way?
So I have a very strong opinion about that. I feel, and I don't know how many people will agree with me on this, but I very strongly feel that children should not be given access to a mobile at least for 8 years of their life.
Definitely.
Right? And nowadays, you see kids who are 3 years old, so
They stop crying when they have phone.
they have the phone और उनको exactly पता होता है
पता
phone use
होता है.
कैसे
They
करना
know
है.
YouTube and
उनको
everything.
हाँ, कैसे Google करना है,
WhatsApp and
क्या करना
everything
है.
they know.
Yeah, so it kind of scares me, because
Yeah, they can access to anything.
anything. And little kids, उनको ये चीज समझने में देर लग जाती है that this place that where they are, Google, where they can know about the answer, know the answer
Of
to any
everything.
question,
Right.
is also a dangerous place.
Right.
There are a lot of threats now attached to it, and with the growing popularity of the internet and the growing usage of internet, especially because right from the age of 7 or 8 to even the old people, everybody is using the internet.
Yeah.
The growing risk is also increasing a lot. We see so many cyber threats happening today.
Yeah.
आप social media पर कोई भी वीडियो किसी की अपलोड कर सकते हो. आप live Facebook पर जाकर कुछ भी दिखा सकते हो.
And there are so many fan pages and all where people will just post your picture and they'll do whatever they want to do.
हाँ, they'll troll you big time. I feel बच्चों के हाथ में मोबाइल देने से पहले उन्हें educate करना जरूरी है. What are the risks
What
involved
it
here?
takes.
In fact, we've launched a new channel called Be Safe,
Okay.
where we are talking about online security, and especially for kids who are 13 years.
Be safe is about this.
Yeah. ऐसी कौन सी चीजें हैं जो simple things like trolling, simple things like FOMO. Uploading a picture is necessary. Getting a certain number of likes is necessary. It's
That's
not.
what makes them happy.
Yeah.
So happiness is that now.
Yeah, which is so
Which is
wrong.
like, yeah.
People are somehow getting disconnected with the real world and just actually connected with the whole world, but
Still alone and
still alone and so disconnected with people around us.
Karan Grover, he was talking about she is always working.
That's true.
So we want to know from where do you get these, positive thing and energy?
So firstly, I think it's all about managing your time. You have a good 24 hours in the day, which
So you
are
utilize
a
it.
lot. But you need to understand how to basically prioritize. So I prioritize a lot. I write down the things which I'm
To-do
supposed
list
to
and
do.
everything.
Yes, because otherwise I forget. I'm literally doing 10 things at a time
Right.
at every moment. And if I just
So
get
you
jumbled up-
literally
I
write
literally
down.
write, and I can show you alarms in my phone. At this time, I have to do this. At this
Oh,
time, I have to do
wow.
that. Because it's just difficult to keep track of it. But if you do that little thing, then you get organized. You get the time for everything.
And you feel like you have
Yeah, you feel like
You're
you've done
doing
something
things.
and you've
Yeah.
done something productive with your day.
So Chavi, now we'll play the fun and interesting game of our show, which is called Never Have I Ever. So, हम चाहेंगे कि आप सच्चाई से हमें रूबरू कराएं.
Should I be
Ju-
scared?
No, not actually. You say whatever you feel and whatever you have done.
I have never.
Of everything.
Everything.
Okay. Never have I ever dated two person at the same time. Really? Okay. I think we got your answer.
We do a lot of mistakes when we are young, right?
So was it a serious relationship or you just
Which one?
you're two timing?
Which ones are you talking about? The first two-timer or the second?
Oh my.
So yeah.
Okay, are we going there? Okay. We have gone. Now. Never have I ever got an offer for casting couch. Really?
Yeah.
So please, I
You've
would.
seen my face.
Yeah.
I'm like strict and all.
Okay. No, but I would really want you to talk about it because a lot of girls And guys, they come to Bombay to become actor, and so they मतलब डर जाते हैं बेचारे. So you have experience of
No, I have no such experience, and I've been in the industry for the past 15, maybe more years.
Nothing is
so
happening.
there are two things. I think in my case, what has worked is one, that if I get the wrong vibe from somebody on the phone, I don't go and meet them. And the second thing is I've never been desperate for work. So even sometimes what happens is people tend to go and meet people because they feel नहीं शायद मुझे doubt
कुछ
हो
हो
रहा
जाए.
है. शायद मुझे नहीं, maybe I'm just doubting this person's intentions. I should just go and meet them. And what's the harm in meeting? I never do that. If I have the slightest of doubt, I don't go and meet someone.
you go for like with your energy.
Yeah,
Whatever it
exactly.
feels like.
And if I also think that a lot of people think I'm a snob.
Really?
A lot of people think that I'm very strict.
That's
So a
good,
lot
but
of people don't
they
try
try
anything
stay away
nasty
from
with
you.
me. Yeah.
That's amazing. I think it really depends on us, because if somebody is calling you at 8:30 and asking you to come for a look test, those are not the official time.
Exactly.
So you should understand. And
Yeah.
before going to somebody, Google, at least check their
Yeah,
FB.
yeah. Nowadays you have that
You
option.
can do
Yeah,
that.
Correct. And I think we all have a sixth sense. We just don't know how to read it.
And nowadays, I think people are more professional. They don't want to do hanky-panky.
Plus, I think with the young blood coming into the industry, these things have kind of reduced.
Yeah, and after Me Too,
But
I
that's what I
think
feel.
things have. Yeah.
I hope so.
Never have I ever tried drugs.
I don't think so.
Same here.
What all counts as drugs?
Everything?
I don't think so. No. I'm very scared with that.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's good. Never have I ever stolen anything from the hotel I stayed.
It's very tempting. It's very tempting. You know,
So
there are
what
sometimes. So one is the
Shampoo and body
shampoos.
lotions.
Yeah, body lotion. So more, not because of stealing, but sometimes you just need to keep that little thing in your bag
Right. Never have I ever smooched in public.
all the time.
Really? In Bombay or you?
Bombay, I love to kiss my husband in public, and he gets very embarrassed, and I love the look on his face when I do that.
So you are PDA person.
Absolutely, all for
So
it.
whatever you feel, you just love to
Oh,
do.
yeah, absolutely.
And he doesn't like it,
He doesn't like it. No.
but you still do it.
Yeah, and he has to comply sometimes because it's rude when your woman comes to you and grabs you, and you're like, so you kind of comply a little.
Never have I ever made out with someone double of my age. That counts 10 years elder
So,
to you.
yeah, I
You
have.
You have.
I have, because
Back
when
then.
you're young, you have more options, right?
Right. So you're trying to say you don't have options now.
Not anymore, no. I'm too old.
Okay. So thank you so much. It was lovely talking to you. And I think you played really well.
Thank you.
And we wish you a lot of luck for your upcoming project.
Thank you so much. It was great being
Thank
here
you.
and nice
Thank
talking
you
to
so
you.
much.
Bye. Hi guys, this is Chavi Mittal and you're watching me on Let's Chit Chat. If you like it, please like and don't forget to subscribe. Love and peace.